All right, try to start it.
She don't start.
It looks like the...
We're good.
Turn left.
Left.
That's where we're going.
All right, guys, welcome back. Yellow truck is gonna get a new purpose in life until end of December. Taylor got it a job as a cheerleader for the town. I guess this would sum up this town. She's gonna clean it up. A lot of people wanted me to just, it's unpractical really, leave it exactly the way it is with the moss and everything, all the mold growing on it, put an engine in it and drive it like that. I don't even know if I'd really rock that kind of a style, but she's gonna gut it out, throw all the garbage away. I'm working on my my other project. I'm just pressure washed, that's all I did. But put some plywood back here, loaded up with some hay bales. Bummer is I gotta actually spend some money and get some tires on it, because only one out of the four, well, this one, I don't even think this counts. That one's holding there. We might get by with 2 tires, but it'll probably go flat sitting on Main Street trying to look nice. But you guys will get to see a before and after of 30 years this thing sat in this old boy's driveway. 30 years of grime and everything. Trailer's gonna pressure wash it all off there. And we put a scarecrow in the seat next to trunk. The heater works good in here. I'd say we could probably junk that, but just throw it in the bucket for now. I'll take it and throw it in that scrap. I don't think this tailgate's been open in 30, 40 years. It didn't feel like it when it came open.
Very rickety.
Is it cracked? Oh, there goes the trade-in value. It is cracked. Who would have thought? I'm gonna have to go tell this guy he gave me a bad price. The $3.99 was a little steep. So we gotta...
I would be very careful on that one.
Feels all right. Huck it, huck it, huck it in there. There you go, there you go. Got a nice tire iron. Oh, look at that. Ho ho. Couple pieces that are still not structurally sound, but they look like they're there. Put that piece of plywood in here and then fill this up with hay bales. When we drop it off, if all goes to plan, oh, might have had a little Bondo action right there. So I'm gonna back all this up. We got a bucket load of, I wouldn't say scrap metal, but antique scrap metal is more fitting. You ready to start pressure washing there, lady? Pretty clean. 30 years of it just sitting in the same spot. The patina look is nice. So Taylor picked up some tires off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna try and fit them on here. I think they're gonna be a little bit smaller, but for $100 it's whatever. And the pallet forks. If you got a tractor, get yourself a set of pallet forks. You use them all the time. So luckily, the ones on the back busted loose. Let's see if these front ones are gonna be as kind. Ones on the back, I PB blasted these, WD-40'd them 2 days ago. Back ones came out no problem. I have to spray these again. Look at this. I didn't even think about it. Backwards thread. Shouldn't that be on the other side of the truck? Tighten them is loosen them. Yeah, those ones they got tight. They got tight. I got one stuck in there. It's a little donut tire. .205s instead of 235s. 65s instead of 70s. 75s, I think the ones that came off of it had. But they're 15-inch, and they're holding there a lot better than the last ones. Get up close there and see if this will work. It's supposed to fall on the studs. Got left-handed threads on the rear. On the front, it's got standards. And then the front right, left-handed thread. Goofy. Right-handed, lefty. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey wasn't a thing on half this truck. But it didn't make sense on which side. Alright, step back, let's see how she looks. Forgot in a moment, and I forgot to film building the headache rack and the sideboards for this trusty steed. Give her a nice touch. Taylor, you like the sideboards?
I like the sideboards.
The 6-inch tall, 7-inch tall sideboards. Just got to zip tie the front bumper back on, and this thing's ready to be parked on Main Street. So if you guys are in Sutton, California, you'll see this thing loaded up bales of hay and pumpkins and hard-working people. What do you think?
I like it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the pressure washing of 30-year-old worth of grime on this old girl. I'm gonna get my Bartle off there and get a photo of Taylor next to it for the thumbnail. But we're gonna end it here. Hopefully nobody destroys it while it's parked on Main Street. I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.
Turn left.
Left!
That's where we're going.
In right now. New vehicle, huh? It's Kubota power. Whoa, I'm jacked up now. What's going on? I got a lift. Hey, lower me! We got problems. Oh, there we go. Got jackass in the bag.
Sir, please get out of the truck. You're doing a front wheelie. That's good. Sir, please get out of the truck. You're doing a front wheelie.